Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am SendIt Steve. That is my 08 F450. That's the new Sierra build, and this is my soon-to-be no longer twin-turbo C5 Corvette. So, as you can tell by the thumbnail, guys, we are actually getting rid of it. So, it's a little bit of a sad video, but it's also a good video because it yields new beginnings. And one thing I am 100% good for is a new beginning. I know obviously everything was built around this car and everything like this, and it being twin turbo, but it's time for a change, guys. It literally is time for a change. Unfortunately, as you can tell, we have about 6 to 8 inches of snow here, so it's going to be a little difficult, but let's get started. The last ever cold start of the C5 Corvette. This is a little bit sad, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Definitely sad. And it is definitely going to be a sad day for me, to say the least. But I guess it is what it is, guys. With every ending becomes a new beginning. Let me get you a couple revs of it, and RIP C5 Corvette. I'm gonna miss you. All right, so as you guys know, we're coming up here, and it's time to get rid of the turbo kit. Like I said to you guys before, like, I wanted this car to be a fun driver. I could jump in it and go anywhere and everywhere. And I'm not saying that you couldn't do that with this. The problem that, you know, lies within me is the fact that I'm literally trying to keep up with the Joneses at this point. I wanted the car to be faster, and that was never the intention for this car. This car literally was supposed to be a car that I could jump in at any point, drive wherever I wanted. If I wanted to drive to Florida, I was going to be able to do that. And I'm not saying that you can't do that with this. 100%, guys. I'm not saying you couldn't jump in this car right now and drive it to Florida. Basically, what I'm saying is that at this point in time, I'm just trying to go faster. And that's not what I wanted this car for. If I wanted to have a race car, I would have bought a car to be a race car. We do know this motor is very sound. It's very bulletproof. The motor has made, you know, quadruple digits, 4-digit numbers. You know, it's a great platform, and it's just at this point in time, I don't enjoy the car anymore. It brakes all the time. It makes too much power, you know, and I loosely say too much power. Obviously it could make more and everything like that, but it's making too much power, and unfortunately the drivetrain and everything in this car is just too expensive for me to keep going on with it. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and get this turbo kit ripped off, and we have a guy coming later this afternoon to purchase it. So I got to get started. I'm excited. I loved this car when it was nitrous. It was fun to drive.
Oh yeah, you didn't have to spray it all the time.
I sprayed it everywhere.
Oh my god, never disregard my last.
Yeah, definitely. But
so I guess we're going to tear this thing the fuck apart.
Yep.
On the ground.
On the ground. I got most of it.
I was gonna say, like, what all did you get so far?
So far, I just got to undo the rack, and then the subframe comes down, and then it's gravy. So.
Okay, so how are you hanging the engine?
We don't want to air that. I'm just gonna hang it right where it's at. Like,
don't you have a hanger?
No.
I wish you would have told me. I would have brought mine.
No, it's okay.
I have a hanger, so
it's gonna hang for weeks.
Yeah,
we're not putting it back together today.
I was gonna say I hardly ever use it, dude. I hardly ever use it. I have like one of those OTC hangers for engines, dude. I could have brought that up. Wish you'd have said it. I would have brought it with me, dude. It would made thing. You just sit it right here on the other side. And
I don't know that this is pretty.
Oh, never mind. I mean, we could have put it like right here too. I mean, somewhere stable at least, you know.
You mean where it's pulling apart?
Yeah, where the shock went through. You know, I'll never forget that when that shock went through.
Definitely.
That was priceless material right there, boss. Let me tell you.
That was terrible.
That was great.
That was terrible.
That was at Corvette's Carlisle, wasn't it? Yeah. When that happened.
I did a good hard launch and it ripped the shock right out of it.
It's beaver checked.
Definitely.
Hello, my name's SendIt Steve, and I just like to send shit right here. So, yeah, we're taking this turbo system out of here, and we're gonna upgrade to a nitrous system. It's gonna be fucking amazing. So yeah, and then we're just gonna send it. We're gonna send it so freaking hard, guys. So freaking hard. It's not even gonna be funny how hard we are going to send this Corvette. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Don't forget to go follow Diablo Formula Racing on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Deuces.
Unwedgie her. I need that block right behind me.
Terrible. What block? Oh, this one?
The one if you turn around, it'll be right behind you.
I found it. This is such a bad idea.
No, it's a good idea.
This is a terrible idea.
It's only bad if it doesn't work.
What the heck is going on with this thing? Oh, there we go.
She's out. Coming
right,
down.
And she's come off. There we go. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, Steve. Oh my God, there's brake lines in the way and everything.
Everything's in the way.
Everything's in the way, Steve. Everything.
Alright, let me pull the jack out. Let me pull that right out of the front.
What?
Well, then I'd turn my GoPro off and we'd have a talk.
Wait, you actually have a GoPro?
Yep. And it
You're
hurt
pulling
everything. Oh, boy.
Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh, your end's stuck.
Oh, son of a biscuit. There we go. Oh, my
You're
shot
shot.
right through my bumper.
Everything's already through your bumper. It doesn't matter.
Definitely. Oh, GoPro.
Well, GoPro almost went for a swim. Almost went for a swim. Will you go?
All right, guys. Well, there you have it. The rack, or not the rack, the subframe is out.
The rack's still in there.
The rack is definitely still hanging. I don't know why I said rack.
All right, well, we're ready to pull some turbos out.
Let's do it.
All right, let me go on this side. And
I'll go under.
for you.
And you can.
I only got one bolt each side, and that's it, boss.
Perfecto mundo. Now here's where you guys really want to see from Andy. This is my tripod here.
What?
Look at my tripod for the GoPro now.
Oh my God.
It's a jack stand. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get this cleaned off. So
There you go. There we go. It's a starter.
Oh yeah. One Turbski down and out. Oh, I forgot my lines are hooked up.
I just asked you if your lines were unhooked, dude.
I forgot.
Hold on. Lift it back up a little bit.
I'm stuck on everything.
Lift it back up. There we go. You're good.
I got oil running out everywhere. My arms.
Yay!
Hooray! Now I just gotta get this line off here.
You still have all your fucking lines hooked up, dude.
Yeah, I was gonna. They're easier to carry together.
No, they're not. They're not easier to carry together. You're wrong.
You right. I need adjustable. Is there an adjustable down there? Yeah, right there. All right, guys. Well, we have the turbo kit out, and obviously the subframe has to come down to do so. Everything like that. And our buyer is actually here for the turbo kit. Now, he had started already loading up the vehicle here, but I'm kind of sad. You're going to be on camera, and I hope you're ready.
What's going on, guys?
How's it going, bud?
Good.
So he is the new owner of the twin turbo kit. Are you excited?
Absolutely.
We got her all loaded up in here. Well, obviously not the manifolds and that, but he was going to bring a Camaro to do this.
I was going to. That would have been a mistake.
I'm glad you thought twice about that. Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have been making 3 trips.
So it was what, 2.5 hours?
2.5 hours. I'm from North Jersey.
It's not terrible.
Nope.
Not terrible. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little sad.
Yeah.
I'm definitely a little sad, guys. Like it. Whoa.
Breaking stuff up there.
Whoa. There. I don't even want to talk about it. Andy and his kids are a mess. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, 2.5 hours is not a bad drive. I don't forget what I was even talking about.
Hey, well, Steve, when I get it together, if you want to drive the car again, no big deal.
Definitely. Yeah, I can't wait. Like I'm gonna try to go down and help him do it when he goes to install it and things like that. So I'm gonna give him a hand. I'm giving him the oil pan, like everything. It's gonna be literally bolt on ready to make at least 700.
Good.
Don't be scared.
Guys, let Steve know if I should make a channel about it.
Definitely. I'm trying to get him to start a channel. It's not really that high mileage though.
230,000, that's high.
Oh, 230? I thought he said 130.
That's freaking high, man.
Oh, I thought you said 130.
No, 230.
Definitely start a YouTube channel with a 230,000 horse.
Gonna get ran over by
Two-
an ATV,
I'm stuttering. I'm over it.
dude. It took me 14 years to get there. Terrible 14 years. Dude, what
Hey. We're still normal guys around here. I'm gonna come up here and torture his kids. What do you got going on here?
Hold on, turn the other way. Let me do a donut.
I don't think you're going anywhere.
I'm doing a donut.
Look at my yard. Now I'm worried about my yard. You're not going anywhere. Do you want me to show you how to do it?
Nope.
Alright, fair enough. Have fun. And just like that, there goes the twin turbo kit. He's trying to start a channel, guys. I'm trying to talk him into it. Hopefully he gets it up soon. Andy's GoProing me GoPro.
Yeah, we're all done here working on.
But we're officially done.
We're back.
The car is no longer twin turbo, guys, but we still have the car, so that is the main thing going on. But I hope you guys like the content. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna need your support, definitely. That's a hard thing to watch. Like, that's why I'm turning around this way, so I don't actually have to see it leave. Like, you guys can just...
Because I think we have enough footage for a good one. Other than that, guys, if you did like the video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Front Racing. Facebook's also Diablo Front Racing.
Anyway, guys, there you have it. If you like the content, smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next upload.